Hi guys, today we are eating fried chicken because I cannot afford my taxes, so we are going to eat this. Please go viral. And you might ask that what is the name of this game? This game is, wait, I forgot, mukbang game. So we are eating this. Let's start. Wait, I like all this fried chicken. Let's see. Tasty. So crispy. Oops. Fried chicken. Eat this whole. Collect all this chicken. Mm. Chicken. Chicken. Like it. My phone is lag. Look at this. That's how I do. So please make this viral so I can buy a new phone and a new camera. This is it for today's video because I'm so full. Bye. You might be wondering, how did I record this in mobile? I use screen record. So yeah.